Everybody, what is up? Gotta climb and speak. I've literally just had to re-pierce my ear using, can you see how red that is? Just had to re-pierce my ear using a blunt earring. That really wasn't fun. Doing a lot of film work and stuff, they make you obviously take out your piercings. And I completely forgot to put this one back in. And then I went to put this earring in today, well, a different one, and saw that it was closed, no hole, terrible. So I've just had to re-pierce it using a blunt earring. That was not fun. Ow. You know that scene in Parent Trap when they're like, just do it, and they've got the apple behind it? Like, I had no apple, I was sans apple, but that's how it felt. Actually, just gonna make a coffee before I start doing this video. I always do the same, like if I have leftover water left in here, I don't like using water that's been sat in here for like more than 8 hours or like usually a day. I just always give the water to my plant babies. Coffee that I'm gonna go for today is the Starbucks. This is their Pike Place roast. It's taken me a while to get used to, but I do prefer a lungo if I'm gonna be having a coffee in the morning. Like, don't get me wrong, I love an espresso, but they disappear too quickly. So if I'm gonna have a lungo, then I'll go for the Pike Place roast. I'm kind of working through all their different flavors and seeing if I like them. I mean, nothing will beat the Nespresso pods because they are elite. At least with these ones, they're a bit more accessible because you have more Starbies around, and you can also take the pods back to the Starbucks and they will recycle them. Let's go make a video. It's just like so, it's just so inoffensive, you know? Nutty flavor, nutty, it's nutty. Hey everybody, what is up? It is your girl AFROISMASSIVE, and today I'm coming at you guys with a product review. Now, the Inkey list sent me a couple of weeks ago the PCA Bond Repair Hair Treatment. Now, this does say best for hair damaged by bleach, dye and heat, but when they emailed me they said that it does work for all hair types. So initially I was like, huh, and then I was like, proper kombucha girl style. This couldn't have really come at a better time because I've just been filming on a film which I was really close to just saying the name of, and you're not allowed to do that because you signed the NDA, don't want to get sued out here. And my hair underwent 3 weeks of quite intense styling every single day, so that's a lot of brushing, a lot of manipulation, a lot of twisting, a lot of hair clips and hairpins and tiny teeny little hair bands. Oh my gosh, I hate them so much. So my hair really is in need of some TLC, and also at the moment it's just generally quite dry. If you guys have been following me on Insta or anything, you guys know that I kind of like to do a moisturize at the beginning of the week. I will twist it up overnight, satin bonnet of course, and you know, try and maintain that for the rest of the week. So my hair's kind of toward the end stages of that moisturization period, so it's time to put some life back into these curls, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, it does say, hang on, let's go into a bit more detail. This is the Inkey info. What is PCA hair bond treatment? A lightweight spritz, okay, so it's a spray, that helps to rebuild, protect and strengthen damaged hair bonds for healthier looking and smoother hair. It reduces frizz, prevents split ends and improves overall gloss. Yes, please. How does it work? Grand Repair Power Bond is a clinically proven ingredient compound which strengthens damaged hair from within the hair shaft. Shake well before use. Spray onto towel dry damp hair. Well, I will not be towel drying my hair, but I get it. Damp hair. 4 to 6 sprays for short fine hair and 6 to 10 sprays for longer thicker hair. Okay, well there's a chance like I could really work through this entire product in one. I'm excited though. I love the Inkey list. I use their skincare products a lot, mostly when I am on set, because you know, when you're having lots of heavy makeup every single day, I really do the prep work to make sure that my skin is in the best possible condition. This is cute. It's like shiny metal. Hopefully this is recyclable. Carton, bottle cap and pump are recyclable. Separate before recycling. Yay, thank you. I guess that's it. All I'm gonna do now is jump into the shower, wash my hair, definitely necessary. And then I'm gonna come back and use this product afterwards. Actually, oh, this doesn't say. This is the issue now. Is this gonna work better for... This is a very, very good point, because they may not have taken into consideration that Afro curly girls, we put on a lot of products. So is this for post or prior? Let me feel the texture of this. Gotta let the people know. I'm scared. God, the pump is really hard to use. What I'm kind of looking for when I'm doing this is seeing how it dries and actually it absorbing into the skin nicely. It's leaving like a silky kind of feeling, and now it's starting to feel a little bit sticky. But what I was looking for is that it's not kind of got that drying or giving any friction kind of feel. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm quite happy to apply this to the hair straight away, and then probably applying moisturizers on top. I don't know, we will see as we go along. This is probably a really good test though for the Afro hair types, to see actually what order we could be putting this product in as part of our moisturizing routine. So, oh, let's go. I want to see what I'm working with here today. It's kind of, she's dry, she's fly, and something else that rhymes. So all I'm going to do now is hop into the shower and test this out. Let's go. Did a cute little trading session this morning, and now everything is like a little bit of a mess in here because I've been doing my washing and doing my cleaning and hoovering and everything. But the one thing that is never out of touch is the bathroom. She really is a beauty. Okay, so I am back and my hair is all nicely washed. I actually used the Lush products that I used in a previous video. Now we're gonna try using the Inkey list. Bang! So let's give it a go. So it does say on here to use this product on towel dry damp hair. I do not use towels on my hair. I use a micro, what do you call this? A microfiber towel. I think that's what it's called. But that just means that my hair is still moisturized. There's still water within the cuticle. I probably may need to do a re-moisturize actually. But it means that my hair's not being completely dried out, because we know that towels, cotton towels, are incredibly drying. So let's work in smaller sections. I'm going to test this product around the different areas of my hair. The biggest thing about this product is that it gives slip and shine, apparently. So what I'm going to do is, because this is actually a really stiff pump, I actually can't, like, it's a lot of handwork there, so I'd much rather put it into my hands. Now what I'm looking for is a feeling of like silkiness. I want to feel that there is slip. It said that it made it easier for detangling. This is so hard. I don't know if I'm not doing this right. This is really difficult. Okay, so just applying onto the hair and also really focusing on the ends as well. So that is the PCA product applied, and I've done quite a bit to ensure that my hair is saturated. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply my conditioners that I always usually use on top of this product, because this will help to not only, oh, that was a lot, so hopefully this will also help to seal in the product that we have just applied. To do this around the rest of my hair. I feel like I need a little bit more moisture in here though, so I'm just going to go grab my spray bottle. everyone, so I'm done. My camera ran out of battery, so I had to finish the rest of it without showing you guys. But I'm actually quite glad because now it's given it time to dry. And actually, I am pleasantly surprised. I honestly didn't really have very high expectations. However, can you guys see this? Are you guys witnessing this? Witness the curliness? Like, I'm genuinely shocked. You guys know that I say all the time, like, my hair has no curl definition. Like, what is this? So surprised. I'm so surprised. You know, this curl definition, I would not have had that if I was just using this product alone. I really like how it's made my hair. You know what? I'm actually genuinely very surprised. In terms of ease of use for the consumer, obviously this was gifted to me, but would I actually buy this product myself? Probably not, purely because this was too difficult to use. Like, I literally couldn't physically pump it. I had to like pump it into my hands and then work it into my hair. There's also another bottle here. Maybe I should try this one. Yeah, again, it's just not the easiest thing to pump, unfortunately, which is quite sad. Had it been easier to use, I probably would have been even more liberal with it so that I could see even more of a result, you know? I feel like it's worked really well on my silkier areas. I definitely noticed a difference when I was applying it and then brushing through it. I noticed that it was feeling silky, it was feeling smooth. And I think in terms of like the glossy aspect, it's definitely given me that. It's given me gloss where usually I wouldn't be having a glossy kind of look. And this is why I'm just so pleasantly surprised, because actually where I had expectations that it wouldn't do too much for my hair, it's actually delivered. And also my hair's feeling quite crunchy in a really nice way, which again would not have come from this product. It is purely the PCA treatment. I'm really happy with it actually. My friend, I just got off a quick WhatsApp video call with her and she was like, what have you done to your hair? And I was like, well, this is my natural hair. She was like, your curl definition is insane. And she's known me since I was like 10. It's passed the best friend test, for sure. Guys, I'm really happy. I'm really pleasantly surprised. These areas up here are a little bit more frizzy. I could have probably taken a little bit more time to separate out these curls more in order to find that real true curl definition, but I was running out of time. This is the issue, because I wanted to kind of get this done pretty quickly. I'm pretty quick at doing my hair, but you know, I ended up having to do this part of the process for an hour, which really should have taken only like half an hour, and that is purely because the pump was so difficult to use. So in that respect, I probably wouldn't recommend if you were doing this across your whole afro hair and you wanted, you know, a bit more ease of time and ease of use. However, you know, I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm actually quite impressed, and I'm looking forward to using this again. I just wish that they'd put it in a different container. It doesn't need this fancy top, it just needs to be, I wonder if I can decant it. I'm gonna decant it and I'm gonna do this again. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's it, there's the tea. Oh, Inkey List actually did, you guys actually did bits. You actually did bits here. This, of course, purely has been tested on my hair, so you guys know I've got a range between like 3C, 4A around the nape of my neck, and then across around the back of my head, I do have these more 4C, 4B, 4C areas. So, genuinely surprised. Did not enjoy using the product, but am enjoying the after effects. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried this product before? Would you try it if you have a looser hair type or even a more kinky hair type? How has this product reacted with your hair? Let's kind of get the consensus in so we can make a group decision. Remember, I'm just like one person with one opinion here, and this is also my first test. So I'll probably decant this into a separate bottle and try this again. Maybe actually putting it into my diffuser. This would make a whole lot more sense. Okay, I'm gonna try several ideas with this because this is not the end. This is not the end, I swear. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please do share with a curly friend or maybe a hairstylist who needs to watch the Dear Hairstylist series. Follow me on Insta, we hang out a lot over there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.